Hello fam, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you back to my channel. So this is a video that's going to teach you how to participate in the Yescoin mining. Okay, so basically I'm going to start with the requirements. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store to download Telegram, right? Because you need Telegram to be able to participate on the Yescoin because it's based on Telegram. It's a Telegram app. Aside from Telegram, you also need this wallet called Keeper. Keeper. Then, if you like, optional though, if you like, you can get these auto clickers to help you click automatically when you're doing something else. As you can see, I'm using the BlueStack app player because I'm mostly on my system than on my phone, right? You can also do that if you're someone that work mostly on your system than on your phone, right? So I'm going to go to Play Store, then you search for Telegram. So I'm going to type Telegram, hit enter. So as you can see, mine is already installed, but for you, you're going to see install and not open because yours maybe you don't have. But if you already have, just skip this part, right? Then apart from Telegram, you can go back to the search bar and search for the Ton wallet, right? So I'm going to search for Ton Keeper. So Ton Keeper is a wallet that allows you to have multiple Ton wallets. The reason why I recommend this one is because you need to have a separate Ton wallet for any other airdrop that you are chasing that is based on the Ton network. That way you don't compromise your funds, right? You want to have a separate wallet. So mine is it needs updating, so I'm gonna just update that real quick and pause this video. Okay, so as you can see, it's installing. So after you must have gotten both your Telegram and your Ton Keeper, like I said, it's optional. You can get the other stuff like the auto clicker, right? All you have to do is go to your search bar and also search for auto clicker. There are a bunch of them. Just go with anyone that is good for you, right? So we have auto clicker. I basically just did a search and I saw these ones, right? So go with anyone that is okay with you. There are a lot of them. They basically all do the same thing. So once you've gotten all these things, the next thing you want to do is visit investorblack.com/Yescoin1 for the first Yescoin, or Yescoin2 for the second Yescoin. Remember, I said there are two Yescoins at this time. At the time of making this video, there are two Yescoins. Let me go back to my home page and show you what I mean. So I'm going to go to my Chrome browser, click on Chrome, then visit investorblack.com/Yescoin1. So this is what I mean, investorblack.com/Yescoin1 or Yescoin2, right? So for Yescoin1, hit enter and it's going to take you to Telegram. As you can see, the Yescoin bot. This is the first, the Yescoin. This is the one I'm actively working on. The other Yescoin, let me open that on a new tab. So this is the other Yescoin. Yescoin1 is the yellow one and Yescoin2 is the white one. I made a review video that exposed which of these two is the fake Yescoin, but I also recommended that you mine both of them, but do it safely, right? So I'm going to use this yellow Yescoin. So to do that, click on send a message. Click on send a message. It's going to redirect me to my Telegram app. Now for me, I'm already on the Yescoin, so it's not going to ask me for some things, but for you, you're going to see the button that says start. So let's just allow it to load up real quick so you get an idea of what I was trying to explain. So as you see, it's loading up. So this is what the Yescoin looks like. I already bought a robot that does the work for me. But for you, you're not going to have this robot. You have to manually swipe with your fingers like this. So I'm going to be swiping like this. I'm using my cursor, left click and hold to swipe. Let me swipe this one. So that's how you swipe. So once you go in, the first thing you want to do is not to start swiping. Don't do that. What you want to do is go to this place that says N. Okay, then you complete the task that they've given you. Okay, so go to this place that says onboarding, click on connect wallet. Okay, once you click on connect wallet, it's going to take you to your wallet. But before connecting your wallet, obviously you must have set your wallet. It's just the way you set your normal wallet. You go, let me go to my home page and show you what I mean. Okay, so if I open my Keeper wallet now, so this is my Keeper wallet. What you can see is not what you're going to see. For you, they are going to onboard you. They are going to ask you to set your phrase, your password, and the rest, all those things. Then make sure that you back up the wallet phrase. So if you have to click on this, then copy your phrase, put it on a safe place. I recommend maybe your Google Drive or your iCloud, somewhere in the cloud that is not within the reach of people, so that you can easily access it whenever you want to retrieve or recover your coin. Maybe you lost your phone or something like that. You have to keep this safely. I'm not going to open it because I don't want you to, obviously I don't want you to see mine. But one thing I want to show you is how to add wallet. Okay, so as you can see, I have the yellow Yescoin and I named it yellow Yescoin. I also have Yescoin white. I see Yescoin yellow, Yescoin white, and here that it says add wallet. If you click on add wallet, you can also add new wallet. Once you add new wallet, they are going to ask you for the key phrase and the rest. So if you already have an existing wallet you want to import, click on existing wallet. They'll ask you for the key phrase, you import it, it will show here. For example, your Ton wallet, the one that is embedded inside of your Telegram, because Telegram also has Ton wallet inbuilt, so you can also import that to this place. But I don't recommend you do that. You should just create a new wallet for every new airdrop that is based on the Ton blockchain. So I've created two, one for the yellow Yescoin. I didn't name this one correctly, but we get the idea. So to edit it, click on the settings icon, click on customize. You can change the color to whatever you want, but since it's yellow, I'm going to just not Yescoin. Click on save, and that is it. So now, as you can see, this one started with UQCH. So I'm going to go back to the Telegram wallet. I'm going to go back to the Telegram wallet and show you to the Yescoin app and show you what you need to do next. So click on connect wallet, which is the first thing you need to do after you must have set up your Ton wallet. Click on it, click on this arrow by the right, then it's going to take you to the wallet. As you can see, wallet connected. Your avatar has received a unique wallet badge now. Massive Web 3 years treasure, blah 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 blah. Okay, so for you, it's not going to show this. It's going to show the button to connect it. Once you click on that button to connect it, it's going to redirect you into the app, into your wallet app, and you're going to approve the connection. Only then will your own show like this. So that is basically how to go about it. Once you connect that, automatically you will get 500 coins, 500,000 coins rather. Okay, the next you want to do is come here and repost their tweet on Twitter. So you need to also have Twitter in your phone. I have done this already. Do the same thing for this one. Repost their tweet on Twitter, slide to the next one, retweet their tweet on Twitter. Then inside of Telegram, you need to join their Telegram channel, which I've already done. You need to join follow them on Twitter, which is this one, which is already done for me. So once you do this, you're going to get 100k, 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 150k, like that. That's the first thing you need to do, and not to just go ahead and start tapping. Okay, as you can see, there is a new task for me to do the dot coin. I think I'm already on dot coin, but let me just do it, so just to show you what it looks like. So click on the arrow here. I'm already on dot coin. Click on the arrow, and it's going to try to redirect you to your Telegram wallet to join the dot coin. I'm already on dot coin, so they just recognize that I'm already on dot coin. So I've gotten 50,000 extra just by doing this, right? So that's basically the first thing you need to do once you join this. Then there are other things like inviting your friends and the rest, right? If you invite your friends, you're gonna get this. Then daily crypto learning tasks. Every day you need to log in and click on this learn button to learn something new. Click on get it, and it's going to unlock the next thing you need to do. As you can see, I've gotten this one. This is day 2. It's going to be open in 1 hour. Okay, so I have to wait for 1 hour. Once this is unlocked, I'm going to click on it and get my either 1k to 40k for the day. Okay, so that's another thing you have to do. So once you've gotten that, you will now have enough money to boost and upgrade. So the next place you want to go is go to boost. Once you go to boost, you're going to see this chest and this full recovery. This chest is for you to get this. Let me just click on it so you get what this chest does. So if I go back to my, you see that a chest will appear on the screen. Now if I click on this chest and unlock it, you're going to see that a lot of coins will be falling. So all I have to do is just make sure that I catch as much as I possibly can, right? That's basically what this chest is all about. So I'm just swiping my screen continuously. So that's how to do that. So that's for the chest. Then the next one is the full recovery. So the full recovery is basically you saving your skipping the waiting time. Once this is exhausted, once this level has reduced to 0, you have to wait for some time for this to load back up, right? So but with that full recovery, you don't have to wait. All you have to do is click on it and it will be full again, so you can get more coins fast, because this whole swiping Yescoin is time sensitive. Okay, we don't know when they are going to launch, so you need to gather as much as you possibly can before the launch date, before the listing date rather, right? So as you can see, it's reducing down to 0. Okay, once it's down to 0, you see that my bot will not be seeing what to consume again, to just be seeing 1 like that. So for it to save that wait time, go to boost and click on full recovery, and it's going to show. But I've already exhausted mine, right? So another thing you can do is to buy these things. So this multi-value is just the number of coins you get per click. Okay, so if I go back to mine, you see that per click I get about 10 plus. If you watch, you see 10 plus. That's because I've been able to upgrade to that point. That's for this one. As you can see, level 10 coin limit, level 10. For this coin limit, if you click on it, it increases the total amount of coin. So mine is about 2,500, right? So let me show you what I mean. If you go here, you see the total amount of coin you can get, which is this one right here. So it shows the total amount of number that it will get when it fills up. So mine is 2.5. Another thing you can do is the fill rate. That's the speed at which it fills up. The more you increase it, the more it will increase. Let me try to see if I can upgrade this. If I click on level up, 700, insufficient balance. Okay, so I don't have enough balance to even do that right now. So that's basically how to go about it, right? So I hope this video has been helpful. Apart from this, you can also click on this referral area to get your referral link. As you can see, I have some referrals here, and at the top you can see how much your referrals have been able to get you here. So even when you're not doing much, because of the people under you are doing much, you're also going to get that. So you can join my team and do that as well. So to get your affiliate link, all you have to do is click on send to invite and click on share invite link. Then you're going to see the link, so you can choose any of your contacts that you want to share to, and that is it, right? So that's basically how to go about it. So if you click on this is your referral link, right? You can copy it, right click on it, click on copy, then go to the groups you belong to about making money online or about earning from airdrops, and share this information to them. If they are interested in airdrops, they'll join under you as well, right? So that's basically how to go about it. So that's it for the Yescoin. The same thing applies for the white Yescoin. The reason why I would do that is because I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want to prolong this video, right? It's already long as it is, right? So that's basically how to go about setting up your Yescoin. Also, I do Hamster. I just made a video about Hamster. I do Dotcoin, I do CEX, I do Bloom, I do a lot of crypto. And if you want updates on how to maximize this and make the most out of it, then you should consider following my YouTube channel, also subscribing to my Telegram channel, following my community. I share a lot of updates with as regard to crypto, airdrop. I also do other updates like trading, futures, and the rest, strategies. I also have a page on Udemy where I sell my courses. You can go check out those courses. It will teach you a lot on how to trade. Have a nice day, guys. I love you. Bye bye.